crazy. Yeah, well, he's one of the vets too. My buddy is. Basket. Let's go. Right center. Look around. Right there. Right there. Go. There you go, baby. Oh. Center.
Get on him. Good hustle, Piano. Go. Tee up, Mauricio. Tee up.
Shoot it.
Get your man.
Go back. There you go, right there, center. Nope. Up.
No rebounds.
Wow.
Slow it down, Momo. Slow it down.
Shoot it.
Slow it down, Momo. Slow it down.
Shoot it. It's all right, Jacob. Keep shooting.
You guys gotta put the pressure on him. Put the pressure on him. Let's go. Slow it down, Momo. Slow it down. Jacob. Get in there!
There you go. Go.
Let's go, Sabi, let's go! Get him, get him! Pop your head in there, Momo!
Up. He can. I don't know why he's not.
Get on him! Pop your hand in there, Sabi, pop your hand in there!
You know, you gotta catch those. Attack the basket. Be aggressive. Grab those.
Let's go! Yeah! Good job, Jacoby, let's go! Get him,
Call the
get him.
ball. Call the ball.
Good job, Jacoby, let's go!
Come on, guys.
Put the pressure on him! Put the pressure on him, Momo!
Oh, come on, Michael, you gotta make that. Shoot it!
Good rebound, the boy, back up, back up!
Up. Good hustle. Come out, come out, come out. Come out this way. There you go. Yeah, I used to love when we used to play in the outfit and we would have a DJ. You guys remember that?
Yeah.
So we used to get a kick out of halftime show.
Easy, easy, easy.
Whoever's shooting, drive in. Come out, come out, come out, come out. No, come out. Yeah. Get 10, get 10.
Where's the help? Where's the defense, guys? Let's go. Get the team.
Cut.
There we go. There we go. Good hustle.
Cut.
Pop your hand in there.
Yeah, the passport.
Hey guys, look for your team. Look for your team, guys. Heads up.
Come out.
Get on him, Jacoby.
Come out.
Get on him. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Ay, ay, ay.
You guys calm.
They are.
Hey, defend, pressure, up on him. Up on him. Good, good.
Go. Up. How did you get jumbled up?
There we go, no rebounds, what's up? Get the rebound.
Finish.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Drive in next
Score,
time.
Steph,
Drive
score.
in next time.
Go all the way. Him and his passing drives me nuts. Shoot the ball.
Slow it down, Romo. Slow it down, slow it down, slow down, slow down. Talk to your team. Talk to your team. Papa, you gotta get in there. Hey.
Come on, Jacob.
Good defense. Good defense, Jacob. There you go.
Is that a 3 or a 2?
They counted as a 2.
Defense, defense.
Lane violation.
Good. Up. Yeah.
Defense again. Clock's running. Let's go.
There you go.
And 1. Go, go, go. Get him, get him. No foul.
Who's the foul on?
Just made it up.
Mauricio, drive in, Papa. Drive in. It's wide open. Hey, same way, same defense. Let's go, pressure. Pressure. Good hustle. Slow it down.
Take it. Up. Middle.
There you go.
There you go.
That's how you do it.
All day.
Nobody getting the rebound. Guys got a rebound, guys.
Middle. Don't pass it. There you go.
Good hustle, guys.
Let's go, 9.
Oh.
There you go. Good. Good corner.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's got experience. I just want him to pass left because sometimes he's underneath the basket and then shoot it. But he tries to be a team player. That's been high school for Fairfax. Yeah. Yes. You gotta decide and go for it. Yeah. quick as well. Set up, set up. Attack the basket. Go in. Oh God. 3 shots open. Nice move.
That shouldn't be happening right there.
That's way too open. Go! You gotta cut yourself. Up. D.
There you go, Lucas.
Whoa.
There you go, Jason.
Hey, you guys could get it back. You guys gotta talk it out, guys. Let's go. Hey, put the pressure on him. Put the pressure on him, guys. Let's go. Get in there.
Back up.
Momo, get in there. Get in there, Momo. Get in there. Get in there. Hey, guys, what's wrong? You guys have to change or not? Let's go. You guys got this. Defense, put the pressure on them, guys.
Center.
Put the pressure.
Center. Attack the basket. Go in. Go in. 3 seconds. Go.
Pop your hand in there, Sonny. Good answer, Sonny. Hey, pop your hand in there, Papa. Let's go. Talk to your team.
D up.
Talk to your team, Momo. Don't give him no space.
Wow, there you go. Make them count, let's go. Just like in practice.
Come on, Lucas.
Get up there.
There you go.
Take it in all the way, Papa. Take it in as far as you can. Good hustle, guys. Good rebound. You guys gotta talk, Mauricio. You guys gotta talk. You guys gotta talk. Hey,
Come on, Shifty.
talk.
Go all the way.
There you go, Jacob. There you go,
There
Jacob.
you go, Jacob. Good shot. D.
Why are you guys not getting the rebound? Follow through on your
Center, mismatch. Go. Go in, go in.
Get back, get back, get back, get back. Somebody, put the pressure on him. Pop your hand in there.
Pass the board.
Hey guys, put the pressure on him. Stay close to him. Dion, stay close to him. Pop your hand in there. Yeah.
All the way, all the way.
Good job, kid. Pop your hand in there, baby. Let's go.
Get open.
Stay close, guys. Stay close. Stay close.
Up.
Why didn't you shoot that?
Right.
There we go.
There's
There we
pass
go.
copy.
Good hustle. Dion, good hustle.
Shoot it.
Stay close. You guys got this, bro. Let's go. Stay close.
Come on, Jacob, shoot that.
There you go. That look good. Inside.
All day, Jacob, all day, Jacob.
There we go.
Okay, it's okay. Good hustle, good hustle.
Did he get hurt?
Oh shit, did he hurt you?
Hope not.
No, he's good. That sucks when they roll their ankle.
There we go. Pop that hand in there, baby. Let's go. Hey, don't give him no slack. No close shot, guys. Stay close to him. Stay close. Stay close. Stay close. Put the pressure. There we go. There we go. There we go, Papa. Rebound. Take your time. Take your time. High five. Box out just in case. Box out just in case. Let's go. Follow it through. Hey, put the pressure. Put the pressure on him. Stay close. Stay close. Stay close. There we go. There we go.
Come on, you guys had a 10-point lead.
Let's go! Good hustle, guys! Rebound!
Yeah.
There we go! Hey, stay close, stay close, stay close. You guys, keep putting the pressure on him. You guys got this. Put the pressure.
Come on, Rain. Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up!
Good hustle. Hey, good hustle. Good hustle. Let's go.
Go in. Go in. Go in.
Hey, pop your hand in there. Pop your hand in there. Hey, good job, guys. Hey,
Come on, guys! It's falling apart!
Rebound! Rebound! Go, go, go!
Fall. There you go. Come on, defense.
Good night, ball.
Come on, defense.
Come up. Let's go. Push in there, Momo. Push. Go.
Slow it down, Michael.
Go.
Slow it down, Michael. Slow it down.
Cut.
Slow it down. Watch the ball. Protect it. Slow it down.
Way to draw the foul. Good job, boy.
Come on, Esteban. Get those in.
Let's go, Gomez.
All right, you got the next one.
Take your time. You got it.
What's going on?
They called a timeout, I think.
He doesn't shoot.
Get that. That's you. Relax.
Stop ball.
Relax. Focus. Rebound.
Come on, defense. Get that rebound. Take your time. Slow it down, Michael.
Back up.
Slow it down.
Good job. Great job, Rain. Dad, relax. Breathe.
Get it, get it. Come on, defense.
Right here, right here, right here.
Slow it down, slow it down.
There we go, let's go, defense now, defense. Come on, Rick. Come on, Rick.
Come on, Jacob.
Get the ball, get the ball, go get the ball. Go get the ball. Every wing. Every wing. Get it, get it, get it.
Last one.
Come on, Lucas.
Rebound. Good.
Remember, it's 1-1. Come on, Lucas. Come on, defense. Come on, defense.
Go, 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 go. Go. Yeah.
That's it, baby. We got our first win.